Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Martavia here, aka Slimpy Pink Rose. As you can see, I'm bald. No, I'm just playing. I did the bald cap method because I want to show you guys how I install my lace front wigs. And as you can see, I'm using this ghost bond glue. As you guys watch me do this whole installation, let me just say I'm not a professional. Okay, like this, I'm new to this. I'm learning as I, go on, and I'm learning as I keep practicing. So you guys may notice I make mistakes. I notice I make mistakes, but as long as I'm learning from my mistake, I guess that's all that matters. And as you can see, I just apply the glue a few sections at a time because I like to do a few sections at a time just so the glue won't get too messy. I apply it and then I spread it out with like a bobby pin, and you can see later on in the video I switch up my utensil and use like the end of my toothbrush. But yeah, I apply the glue, I spread it with a bobby pin, utensil, whatever you have, and then I dry it. With that being said, I don't think I should have dried it just yet until I was literally ready to put the glue on. The wig onto my forehead, because the glue dried. When I was ready to put the wig on, the glue had already dried, so I was kind of like, ugh. But like I said, I'm learning. I don't think I meant to do it like this, but however I did, like, what the fuck. But yeah, I'm going to come back on here when I do the next step. As you can see, I'm back, and this is my second layer of glue. I wanted the wig to last long, so about a week or so. So this is why I'm doing 2 layers. I noticed some people do 3, 4 layers. I'll be seeing everything, but I thought 2 was just enough for me. So I went ahead and did 2 layers and just literally repeated the same process I did earlier in the video. And another note is that I let the glue dry. As you see me applying the glue, it's white, but I let the glue dry clear. That's how you know it's dry and it's ready for your wig to be applied, onto the skin and onto the glue. So yeah, I will come back on here once I am done with this step and moving on to the next process. Okay, so at this point, I'm ready to lay the glue down onto, I'm ready to lay the wig down onto the glue. And literally what I do is put the edge of the wig onto where the glue stops on my forehead. The edge of the wig to the edge of the glue, I guess. So yeah, I'm just doing that very carefully. I'm not really pressing it just yet. I want to make sure it's in the right place. So you can see me, just playing with it, making sure, wiggling it around and stuff like that, making sure it's placed right before I go ahead and give it a nice firm press and, tied up with a scarf and stuff like that. Now I'm giving it a nice firm press, just so, make sure it's on there. What am I about to do? Oh, okay, so now I'm just gonna tie it up with my scarf. And as I'm letting that, sit and dry, I'm gonna wet the wig. Go ahead and do a little bit of styling to it, just because it was boring at first. I'm going ahead and wet it. This is a nice summer wig. It's short, it's fun, it's cute, it's curly, it's easy as fuck. It looks natural. Like, I love this wig. So, yeah, I'm just wetting it with my spray. This is literally just water. Now I'm just taking a little bit of concealer just to define my part a little bit. What I love about this wig, the parting space is amazing. At least a middle part, because it's a deep parting space, so it makes your wig look even more natural. So yeah, that's what I really love about this wig. And like I said, I'm just defining the part a little bit because I just feel like it needed it, So just defining the part a little bit, making it a little lighter with some concealer. Okay, I removed the scarf. Everything is down and dry. I feel extra secure with this, so I think I'm ready to move on to the next step. And the next step is I'm using this foaming setting lotion, whatever you want to call it, just to really define my curls and to lay the wig down, at least the top part of the wig. That's why I mainly focus putting on the product at the top part. So yeah, I love this foaming stuff. It's really good. I will leave anything I use, I will leave everything in the description box down below, so you can pick these products up. Majority of everything came from my beauty supply store. The wig came from elvawigs.com. I will leave that down below as well. Right now I'm just sectioning off some hair just so I can add baby hairs. I'm not really a big fan of baby hairs, but it just depends. Like, depends on what mood I am, depends on the hair. Like, it really just depends. And I'm not even, like I said earlier, I'm not a professional, so I don't really know how to do baby hairs. I'm gonna go with the flow, period. Okay, like, I'm gonna just cut some baby hairs and just lay the shit. If it turns out right, then good. If it turns out bad, then hey, whatever. Like I said, I'm learning. So yeah, I'm just doing some baby hairs with this wig because I thought it'd be real cute. Even though I didn't really need them. I don't think so, but just to make it look a little bit more, I'm extra. So did some baby hair with this wig. I used the same foam to lay down the baby hairs. It works really well with baby hairs as well. Like literally, this is the best I could come up with. Like I said, as long as I practice, you know, I'm sure I get better at it. But this is gonna have to do for now. Like, period. Like, moving on. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I think I cut like maybe an inch off, maybe, I don't know. But I didn't want them, like I said, I didn't want them too dramatic, too long. And I really don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So I'm just, like I said, I'm going with the flow. Yeah, I want to know what's crazy. When I wore this wig, I actually got a lot of compliments on it, and I really didn't think it was like that. Like, I was just like, oh, I must have did an okay job. You know, people's actually was commenting on the baby hair. I was like, okay, baby hair. So, I guess I get a decent job. Like I said, I'm like kind of a perfectionist. So, sometimes I think it's not good enough or not how I really wanted it to turn out. So, sometimes I doubt myself, but I actually got a lot of compliments with this wig. Right now you just see me. I think I'm applying just a little bit of concealer, just so my edges can look a little bit plucked, I should say, even though it really didn't need it. But yeah, I'm just making the wig look as natural as possible. I'm just doing my own little customization to it just to make it look, you know, natural as possible, period, okay? This is basically the end of the video. I'm going to keep practicing. I'm also going to show y'all how I did the ball cap method as well. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.